Welcome to our tutorial about creating a macro. Let's go to the Tools tab. On the Applications panel, click on this icon, Run VBA Macro. The Macros dialog window opens. Let's enter a name. We'll call it my_macro. By the way, you're not able to use spaces in a macro name. That's why I've got that underscore there. An unacceptable character grays out the Create button. Let's return my underscore to the title and click Create. We need to select a project or drawing for the macro. Drawing 2 is just fine. Let's click OK. And we're in the Visual Basic editor. Let's type some code. I want to create a message box. MSG-BOX, open quotation, my first macro, close quotation. Let's go back to AutoCAD and run our macro. Run VBA macro. Here we have my macro. Let's select Run. Here's our message box. Click OK. Let's go back to the VB editor. We'll delete this text. Now let's right-click, select List, Application, Caption, and let's run our macro again. Click Run. In our message box, we see the caption of our application. As you can see, creating a macro is actually very simple. This concludes our tutorial about creating a basic macro.